Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna make some flourless chocolate muffins. So stay tuned if you want to learn how to make them. All right, these are the ingredients that I will use today. I have 100% natural erythritol, pure vanilla extract, Hershey's cocoa, 100% cacao, and I have heavy whipping cream. All right, I'm gonna add 8 tablespoons of cocoa. That's half a cup, really. All right, that's 8 tablespoons, or either half a cup. I'm gonna add 8 tablespoons of erythritol sugar. It's just kind of hard to use the half cup measurements in these containers, so that's why I'm using the tablespoon. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. It's hard to even use the tablespoon to get down in this bag here, the erythritol bag. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. It's aluminum-free baking powder. That's 1 teaspoon. I should have used a sieve first because there's a lot of lumps in this powder. This would, if you use the sieve, you get rid of all of your lumps. Just put this back in there. So always pull out your sieve first before you do what I did and mess up a plate and a bowl. So right, everything is incorporated really well. So, all right, so now I'm gonna add the heavy whipping cream. I just added 4 tablespoons of whipping cream. Mix this up really well. And now I'm going to add the 4 eggs. poured everything into a cupcake holder. I have a little excess still in my bowl there. I gotta get a spatula to get that out. So let's start filling them up right now. Okay, I'm gonna clean up the tray a little bit. Place them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees, and I will let you know exactly how long it took me to bake them. Okay. When you make a flourless cake, you have a lot less calories. 1 tablespoon of cocoa is about, I have that information. I'm gonna give you that information a little bit later. Let me go ahead and place the information on the cocoa. Notice it's very low carb. I just took them out of the oven. I cooked them for 15 minutes. And I used this to test them to see if they were done inside, and they are done after 15 minutes. I added 8 ounces of cream cheese, a half a cup of Erythritol, 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt. I'm gonna mix this all together. I'm gonna add 2 more tablespoons of heavy whipping cream because I added 2 more tablespoons of whipping cream, so that's 4 tablespoons of whipping cream. So I'm gonna mix it again. And this is gonna be delicious. So I'm gonna take these out of the silicone molds and place them on the plate here. So let me do that now. They come out of the molds really easy, and they look delicious. So I'll just remove all of them and place them on a plate here. After you use these molds, you're not gonna wanna use paper molds again because you don't need a lot of oil. You just spray them once and that's it. And I got the chocolate cream cheese all mixed together. So what I'm gonna do now is just add a little bit of the cheese to the top of these muffins here. Just add a little bit to it. I'm not adding it in a piping bag or anything like that. But these are keto and you are interested in low carb and high fat. So that's what these muffins are all about. So let me just add them there. So I'm going to place these on the plate. I will let you see the final result of the muffins. They look delicious, and I'm sure they're going to taste delicious. These are flourless muffins, which are very low in carbs. And you can eat these and not feel guilty about eating them. Okay, let me just add this one to the plate. I think I have enough frosting to make another batch, but I might add a little bit to our lemon and chocolate upside down cake, upside down bars, I would say. They are so soft and they seem very moist. I love cream cheese, so I try to incorporate most of my frosting with cream cheese because it's so good. And it's perfect for the keto diet. Got one more to do. Let's do this. And like I said, 8 ounces of cream cheese go a long way. And let's just take a picture. If you like this video, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful night. And I'm gonna go ahead and taste some because I'm also doing the video of what I eat in a day.